This is a video tutorial on how to create a custom keyboard in PixWriter version 3.2. So first I'll go to the PixWriter icon, double click it, and it will open up into a new document. And you'll see a blank word pad up here at the top and a blank keyboard at the bottom. For PixWriter, you type in a word and it automatically pairs it with a picture. For example, the word dog. When I press the space bar, the word dog pops up as well as a picture, and it also verbally tells me what the word is. I'll type in a few more. Cat, mouse, small, gray, and black. So you see down here, we've created 6 different buttons, one for each word that we've typed up here. Now if I want to click on these buttons, it'll pop up in the type pad. So each word has created an interactive button that you can press, and it'll pop up on the type pad. Now if I want to clear all of this, I'll go to the erase button and just go ahead and click those, and that'll erase the last word that was typed. Now let's say I don't want these pictures on the left hand side, I want them on the right hand side of my keyboard. You can move them by pressing the shift button and clicking on that button that you want to move. So you just click it and drag it right over, so it's very simple. And this allows you to organize them in whatever way makes sense for the student. So you can do them by alphabetical order, you can do them by nouns or verbs or adjectives, whatever makes sense for the student. Now, for this activity, I want to create some sight word activities so my students can recognize the sight words but not have the picture clues. So I'll type in the word I. You see it comes up with a picture here of the girl pointing to herself. Again, I want my students to be able to recognize the sight words. So what I'm going to do is type in a couple sight words. So I have those. A did not have a sight word picture associated with it, so I don't need to worry about that. But I and C have pictures. I'm going to this target button here and I'll click it. And then I just type in the word I. I don't want a picture, so I'll click over here under picture usage type, no picture, and then add target. I'm also going to type in C. Now at the bottom there are 5 different pictures that I could use as an alternative to C. If I wanted to use one of these pictures, I would click alternate picture and click on it, so I could have a little boy hiding behind the tree. But again, I don't want a picture, so I'll click no picture, add target, and then click OK. And the pictures were erased. Now, what I want my students to do is to create a sentence from the keyboard that I've created. I'll go to the eraser button and erase this, and I will dictate to my student, I see a small black cat. So the students would go to the type pad and click I see a small black cat, and they'll put a period at the end, and then you can click the enter button to go to the next line. So it says I see a small black cat. Now if I want the students to have another level of reinforcement in terms of learning these words, they can go to the speakerphone button and press it.
I see a small black cat.
And they can hear the sentence that they created. If I don't want that particular voice, I can go to the speech button and click and change it to Microsoft Mary, and that'll change her voice.
I see a small black cat.
Additionally, I can lock and unlock this keyboard. So if I don't want my students moving or deleting the buttons, I press this lock button here, and it's locked. So the students, even if I press shift and try to drag the button, it says the word bank is locked and buttons can't be moved. So I'll click OK. To unlock it, all you have to do is go to the edit button and lock word bank. Just click that, or you can click Control L. And lastly, if I would like to delete a button, let's say I put in the word and, but I don't want this after all, I can click the Control and click on that button, and it deletes it for you. So that's how you create a custom keyboard in PixWriter.